40-20 theory sa basketball na parang in-state ni Phil Jackson noong 2008. Kaso noong 2008, hindi sila nag-champion noon, hindi Lakers kundi yung Celtics. Kasi most of the NBA champions daw nag-undergo sa 40-20 rule. Ibig sabihin ng 40-20, you have to win 40 games before losing 20. Kasi 82 games yun, di ba? 82 games. 82 games yon. So, kailangan daw makapanalo ka ng 40 games bago ka matalo ng 20 games. Manalo ka mo ng 40 games. Secure your 40 wins before losing 20. So, yun yung 40-20 rule sa NBA. Ang hindi lang dumaan sa 40-20 rule is yung 2004 Pistons, 2006 Heat, at 2021 Bucks. So lahat yon NBA champions, pero hindi nila nagawa yung 40-20 rule. Most NBA champions including the Chicago Bulls is under the 40-20 rule. So yun ang napag-alaman natin ngayong araw. Kahit ngayon, di ba? Kahit yung Denver Nuggets ata, yung reigning NBA champions, yung Golden State in a few years past, 40-20 yung nabibilang sa 40-20 rule. So, yun lang po.